Hello everybody, it's Trish. Good afternoon. I got a package here from Adam 80's Heaven, and I'm gonna open it right now. I didn't expect this, man. Today, weather permitting, I'm going to take a bike ride. I went out there to get the mail. It didn't seem too bad. Let's see if I have better luck opening this side. Oh, Adam, you packed this good, buddy. I'll tell you what. Let's hold it away from ourselves so we don't cut ourselves or stab ourselves. You packed this good, I'll tell you what. Oh. Usually I try to save those envelopes, but that one, oh, it's okay. Achoo! Achoo! Okay. Gotta start the day off with a sneeze, right? Oh, hold on. Oh, look. Achoo! Alright, so what do we get? We got... Oh, where's the note? My goodness. There it is. Alright, gotta read the note first. Okay. Hi, Trish. Thank you so much for the mixtapes. Here's a couple of CDs for you. Take care, Adam. Thank you, Adam. First up, we have Rod Stewart. Thank you for the memory. Great American Songbook. Oh, the Great American Songbook Volume. I guess 4? I think that's 4. I forget my Roman numerals over the years. I Got Crush on You, featuring a duet with Rod Stewart did a duet with Diana Ross? Really? Alright, well, here's a track list. You learn something new every day, folks. And next up we have Rod Stewart, As Time Goes By, the American Songbook, Volume 2. Alright guys, Adam, thank you very much. That was so sweet of you. Last night we got a strong wind and I thought it knocked out the furnace, but it didn't. I woke up, I was a little chilly, and I went to check the heater vent, and there was no heat coming out of it. I was like, oh man. But then I hear click, 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 and it, came on, so all is well. I was a little worried about that last night, but it's okay. I'll put those there for now. Adam, thank you very much. It's about 42 degrees today. I might go out and get donuts or pancakes or something. So please stay tuned. There's more to come. Stopping here at Dunkin' Donuts. What did I get? A large coffee and dun 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 and A blueberry muffin. Oh yeah.
Oh, that second place. Wait.
Have my regular Dunkin' Donuts here.
That's okay. I'm on it.
Yeah.
I feel so.
Where'd they go? The dock's there, but that porch that was there is no longer there. Where'd those ducks go? They'll reemerge. Maybe, and then again, maybe they won't. Maybe they will. They probably will. All that torn down stuff is right there. There they are. Whoa. Look at this craziness. Crazy bird action. Crazy, I tell you. They took off, bro. Are they in that bush? Yep. Look at them all. Oh, God. Can you say Alfred Hitchcock? Well, look at them all. They're like all over the place. Look, guys, I ran into a few of my viewers here.
What's up? What's up?
How you guys doing?
Pretty good. Yeah.
All right, you guys into sports or music, or what are you up to?
Well, I'm taking flute lessons
Excellent.
and I'm playing wrestling.
Excellent. Well, go Burrow, baby.
Go
Yeah,
Burrow.
Panthers all the way. Yeah.
Beach.
Yeah. Go Beach. Oh, your Beach, you guys are Burrow, huh? May the best team win. Yeah, baby. Go Panthers. Yeah. All right. Have a good day. Oh, guess what? I happy now. Last night I thought that wind would definitely kick out my the furnace, but it didn't. Thank you, Lord. And hold on. Shout outs to my viewers who I just saw. You guys are awesome. Thank you. I hope you're having a great year at school. Spring's coming, summer's coming, so I'll probably be back tomorrow for more fun and adventures, or Monday. I think Monday's supposed to be the next nice day. I think tomorrow's gonna be crummy, and then Monday's gonna be nice, so I hope everybody has a great day. I'll see you tomorrow, so please stay tuned. There's more to come. All right, so Monday's supposed to be 42. I think Thursday, weather-wise, is going to be the nice, but it's supposed to rain. Oh, snap. Friday it's going to be partially sunny, as for now. And next Monday it's going to be 47. So hopefully we're over that deep freeze, guys. Oh, and the sunset is 5:31 today. I can't wait well, I'm going to have to wait, obviously, but I'm looking forward to daylight saving time, yeah. For those of you wondering what that action with the bobcat was the other day, here it is. They're flattening out the land. I guess maybe that's where the new house is going to go. My guess. I'm guessing that's where the new house is going to go. Now they had like stakes outlining the property line, but maybe the person who was originally bidding on it, maybe the deal fell through and someone else has purchased it. I don't know. But I do know this. It's going to be a beautiful sunset. I don't know if we see much of the moon tonight, but we'll find that out as well. And those curious about my car, it's a Subaru. It's a Subaru Outback LL Bean Edition. Now, I've never seen LL Bean cars, but I've seen LL Bean bikes, and now I've seen and I own an LL Bean Edition car. You learn something new every day, folks. I thought LL Bean was clothing and camping stuff, but you learn something new every day. And yes, here's some stickers for the car. I gotta replace that one. Let's see if I can get this off. I don't think I can. I think I'm just gonna have to get a new sticker for my baby here. I don't think these stickers can be removed, but yeah. They'll be replaced, folks. They will be replaced. And I probably told you I saw the previous owner of this car, and I was asking of him a few things, and one of the things I asked him was about this. And he said that was there when he bought it. So whoever the first owner was got in a little fender bender. So yeah, that is not for me, folks, just so you know. You know I love taking pictures and videos of the grill emblem. Yeah, my car is no exception. Would you look at that right in front of me? That is. This evening's beverage of choice is Yuengling Lager. Did you guys find that amazing that 1 minute that plane was there and the next minute I can't find any trace of it? That was weird. Really weird. You tell me what you think. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. Alright guys, I want me to upload this video tonight, being the weather for tomorrow. It's not forecast to be nice. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, and comment. And also, please hit that notification bell so you will be the first on your block to get notified that I uploaded a new video. This is Trace, signing off saying peace, love, and keep the good tunes spinning. Pardon me. I hope you are having a great weekend. Be good to yourselves, and please be good to one another, okay? I love and appreciate you all, and I mean that, darling. You'll know I mean that. All right, guys. Peace.